Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Travel with Sobia Jib, where we post about Canadian immigration and our life in Canada vlogs. So today's video is about our Hey guys, so today's video is about our house tour, or you can say it a basement tour. That's it. If I don't tell you that it's a basement, you will not feel it and you cannot tell. It is just a ground level basement, a walkout basement. Be familiar with these terms, because when you are going for basement hunting for yourself, these terms will come in handy. And you must know what is a walkout basement, because if you want a ground level basement like this one, this is called a walkout ground level basement. I have another video about the pros and cons of living in a basement and why you should or shouldn't live in a basement apartment, because we have lived in three types of basements, and I would say that this is the one where we feel that it's like home, where we can see outside, we can see the weather, we can see the rainfall, we can see my kids can enjoy the snowfall, and if my kids are playing in the garden, I can just do my own work at home. So like inside, I don't have to walk out, and this garden is exclusively in our use, and our landlords, they live upstairs, but they don't use it. They've given this for our exclusive usage, so we're lucky, mashallah.
This is the entrance. This is our parking area. So this is our entrance. We actually have two entrances to the garden, to our home, but this is the one we normally use. And as you get inside, you enter the garden. So the kids' toys, this is the entrance to our home. The kids' toys are lying here, and as you can see that it's snowing, so they do not play in the snow. And this is the second entrance. As you enter, this is the living area, and we have made this as the TV room. So this is the view I get early in the morning when I open the blinds, and you have seen this in so many of my videos, because I just love to see the morning sky and the greenery outside, or if it's snowing, it is completely white, covered with snow. So this is our TV area, and if anybody comes, we use this area, although we don't have much seating space here, because it's not a very big living area that we have made. But I'll show you the other areas of the house. This is the dining area. This is the view that I enjoy while having breakfast or lunch, and I just love it. And this area is connected with the kitchen. You can see it's not a very big kitchen, but then it's fine for me. I wanted to put a kitchen island over here in between, but then after all, it's a basement and we have to leave it one day, and we are not sure when. So we definitely have to, sacrifice some things. This is the best thing about the kitchen, is this pantry. It takes huge stuff. I have stuffed it with so many things, and the things that are in need. I don't like stuffing my home with food. Even when there was lockdown period and when people were panic buying, I did not buy, like, blindly. But these are things that are in normal daily use, and when we have started going to Costco, I believe that Costco is more of package deals rather than buying single items. This is the washroom, and I don't know, the light is not working. It just got fuse in the morning. This is a full bathroom. In fact, we have two full bathrooms. This one is with the tub here, and the other one has the standing shower. So this is the second best thing about this apartment.
Yes, what do you want?
This is the, I would say, the living room, playroom, whatever you call it, or my office where I work. And there are big windows, and there is lots of sunlight that comes in during the daytime, which I love when I'm working. This room is usually a mess, and it is so difficult to keep it clean. So literally, guys, I am cleaning one room and shooting the video, and then cleaning the second room and shooting the other, because if I wait for wait for the whole house to be complete, to be clean all at once, I'm sure there will be mess somewhere in the house, and I'll be cleaning all over again. So I am literally, where the kids are playing, I'm just keeping this for the last. The third best part about this apartment, this basement, is that the rooms are at the further end of the corridor, and the living and the dining area are completely separate from the rooms. So when my husband is sleeping, or while I'm watching TV or something, we are just, we don't disturb each other. The first room which you saw was the furnace room, but there was extra storage space, so we used that for the kids' strollers and all. And this one here is the closet, and where we keep our winter jackets and our shoes. This is the second bathroom, second full bathroom with the standing shower. So, literally, guys, this is with kids, this is such a huge benefit of this apartment. This is the kids' room, and this is the staircase to the upper apartment, to the landlord's house, which we don't use, obviously. And this is our bedroom. This is the crib, my youngest one's crib, and this one I got from Facebook Marketplace around 50 for $50, and the mattress we got new. This is our walk-in closet, and we keep our clothes. My husband and my clothes are all here, and yeah, so there is lots and lots of shelves and hanging space. So we are really lucky in that sense, because all my suitcases are almost in the two closets, and everything is just inside here. And this is the bed, guys, I have furnished. This is the same furniture we used in our previous basement, and we literally furnished our whole apartment within $1,500 budget. So if you want to see that video, I'll put the link here, in which we got the dressing table and so many things in that $1,500. This is the washroom. This is the second door to the washroom, to the bathroom, that I've already shown you. This is my kids' bedroom, and this is the place where she studies, and she's taking her virtual classes here. These are the two mattresses that are extra, and we have to get rid of them, but not now, because we might keep one at home, but at least one we have to get rid of. This is their play area, the tent, and this is where she reads her storybook. And again, this is the closet. So I'm really lucky in having a big closet in each room, because this takes up so much of my load. And these are the kids' jackets and their snowsuits and everything that we just require when we go out. So we just pull out from here, and these are the kids, like I've separated them, the shirts and the trousers, and these are some of their new shirts, new clothes. This is the iron stand that was provided in the basement, and these are our sleeping bags when we'll go camping, probably next year, when my youngest one is almost 2 or 1.5 years old. So let's see.
Hi guys, today I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe, and Travel with Zobia this is our channel's name, and be sure to subscribe and like this video. Love it. Bye bye. Now watch the video. See how it looks.